In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share files on OneDrive using Outlook. Let's get started right from your browser. Open Google and type Outlook in the search bar. Then click the official Outlook website from the results to access your mailbox. Make sure the address is a Microsoft domain, such as outlook.live.com, so you know you're in the right place. You'll need to be logged into your Outlook account for the next steps. Once your inbox is open, click New Mail. This brings up the Compose window where you'll write your message. Click inside the message box to place your cursor in the body. This ensures the formatting and insert options are active and visible on the toolbar. Next, look along the top of the Compose window and click Insert. From that menu, choose Attach File. Outlook will show several ways to include content in your email. Here, click Upload and Share. This is the key option. Instead of attaching a bulky copy, Outlook will upload your file to OneDrive and insert a shareable link. It's more reliable for large files, keeps inbox sizes small, and lets you manage permissions without resending new versions. Your computer's file picker will open. Browse to the file you want, select it, and confirm. You'll see the file queued for upload. Now click Upload. Outlook begins transferring the file to your OneDrive. Upload time depends on your internet speed and file size, so give it a moment and keep the window open until it completes. When the upload finishes, your email draft will display a OneDrive link to the file. That means the file is now stored in your OneDrive and is ready to share with your recipients. Because the link points to a single source of truth, you avoid version confusion, and you can update the file later without changing the link. A couple of helpful tips as you wrap up your message. Use a clear, descriptive file name so recipients immediately know what they're opening. Organizing your OneDrive with folders by project or date will make future uploads and shares faster. If you need to adjust who can view or edit, look for the link settings in the Compose window. Those controls let you fine-tune access without altering your email. And that's all there is to it. You've uploaded your file to OneDrive directly from Outlook and prepared a clean, shareable link. Simple, efficient, and collaboration-friendly.